Welcome to Wireless LAN Security Training 2019 video, powered by Tonex.com. Tonex 2-day wireless security training course penetrates profound into bundle and convention level wireless security. This is a specialized hands-on class where you will utilize an assortment of industry standard passages, 802.1x convention assessment gadgets, and LAN security assessment tools from vendors such as Cisco, AirMagnet, AirTight Networks, AirDefense, AirFortress, Cognio, HighWall, Aruba, Trapeze, Ekahau and some more. Who should attend? Network planners, network designers, security managers, security auditors, IT management personnel, anyone concerned with the security of their organization. IT professionals wanting to move into the rapidly growing wireless networks industry. Wireless LAN security training is the frontline training in wireless LAN security advancements. Wireless systems administration is the present fastest developing LAN solution, giving adaptability, cost investment funds, and expanded interchanges, as wireless LANs detonate in prominence. Adapting all the great, awful, and appalling of wireless security can be overwhelming. Wireless LAN security training include exploring 802.11a, 8011.b, 802.11 grams, 802.11n and 802.11 acres network architecture and design. Understanding 802.11 security threats. Security management, wireless LAN intrusion and policy. Overview of security software and protocols for wireless LANs. Exploring of the security weaknesses of and threats to wireless LANs. Overview of implementation of the best and latest security techniques and mechanisms. Implementation of WEP, WPA, WPA2, 802.11i and 802.1x. Course agenda. Wireless LAN security basics. Wireless LAN's attacks and risks. Maximizing wireless security. Rudimentary security measures. Station security. Gateway security. Intermediate security measures. Advanced security measures. Hardware and software solutions. Prevention and countermeasures. Implementation and management. Wireless LAN auditing tools. Hands-on labs and exercises. Price, $1,499. Course number, 504. Length, 2 days. Are you interested in wireless LAN security training? Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.